Gold and silver pretty much traded with a slightly bullish bias but failed to break past the critical resistance level 1970 2380 are still well respected by gold and silver both. Now what to expect today with the US session we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also you can join our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description where you get the market updates. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now see gold on the early charts, you can see this formation on the early charts, then this series of drop, see this formation and then possibly it is trying to look downwards. But where to enter a sell? Now see, we know that 1960 is also very good support. I will recommend you to sell at slightly lower level or you can initiate a sell at 1960. However, 1954, 1950 levels it needs to respect. If it breaches past this, it can give you a very good slide which might take it for 1940 35 levels, and beyond 1935 bottom is very far away. If it continues to drop, then and then only. Now remember, see the Bollinger Bands have also narrowed and it is traded in the first half or the top of the Bollinger Bands. Hence, yes, any move beyond 1970 we can look forward to. See, it has to break past 1975 and 85 levels. This zone is very important, and then 1993. If and only if you see it trading above 1990 levels, you can say that gold has reversed completely and you can expect 2000 and 2005 levels. Till the time we have to be watchful and cautious. See the stochastic on the early charts has dropped. The MACD crossed over here, traded in bullish mode so far. However, now we have started to converge. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade with a slightly bearish bias. Now look at 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see the consolidation, the drop, the consolidation, the drop, the consolidation or a retracement. Then now it is again trying to look downwards. Now if you look at the preceding candle, see 1969-70 tried to break past, failed to do so, and it has reversed from here. And hence a good push. See, it has opened flat, so chances of it to break past 1970 exist. If it breaks past 1970, you can expect that the push could be little stronger, where we can see 1975-85 zone and in fact 1990 levels also can be expected. But remember, till 1990, do not consider this as bullish. It can reverse any point of time. That point you should keep in mind. See the stochastic has dropped here. Now when I say it can reverse any point of time, what you should do, you should put a $5 trailing stop loss, keep booking at $5 and then keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Remember, safe trading is where you have to ensure that your profits are intact or at least you are not incurring losses, and that is why keep the stop loss at your entry price always. You can always take a re-entry if you see that it is going in your direction, then and then only. Also, if you look at the stochastic on the 2 hour charts, near to overbought, but the MACD has just crossed over, trading with little divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. And if you look at, see the drop still here. Now the you can see the retracement or the reversal is slightly sharper. Hence, possibly it can try to initiate, or if it continues to trade bullish from here, it can try to show you very good bullish or very good rally out there. Now, if you look at the stochastic, see this was oversold. It has come out of the oversold zone, trading slightly a notch above the oversold levels. If you look at 3 hour, now see on the 3 hour charts, first of all, see the drop there, retracement, increasing drop, retracement, further increased drop, then a retracement. Now it is trading in this bearish channel. It has to break past at least 1980-1990 zone in order to confirm a reversal. Yes, you can initiate a buy entry at 1970 itself. Very clear here. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought here. Also, if you look at, see the 3 hour charts here, the support there on the downside at 1960 is strong, and hence once you see it trading below 1960 till 1950, put a $5 trailing stop loss. Below 1950 further crash may happen, and hence you have to trade with caution there. Stochastic is overbought, but look at MACD. See, MACD has crossed over, trading with very little divergence. The candle size is very minimal, and this crossover is happening at a slightly lower levels, which increases the chance of a pullback. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, see first preceding two candles, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen here. Yes, this is the point beyond which you can expect the bullishness or the reversal sign. Else potentially this is the first red candle, it can try to increase the bearishness from here. If it stays below 1960, stay short. The stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen converging. See, this is one signal which is indicating that gold may try to reverse from here, but you can see the bullishness there, it went till towards plus 20 levels. Right now if it is extremely bearish, it can stretch it on the downside too. RSI is still oversold, it has come to zero levels here, or you can say come to comfortable levels at 30, but still bearish. If you look at the daily charts, now most important is the daily chart. You can see it has breached the support there at 1980. It has come down to the next support at 1950 levels, and we had discussed this in our weekly analysis also. 1950 1940 as a very good support. It has come down to these levels and now it's starting to look upwards here. And if you see, another observation here is the candle has a tail here, and that is where we have seen this pullback. Also you can see it was trading, the preceding candle was trading outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little pullback. Now see the moving average, it is trading below the 20-50 period moving average and just a notch above the 100 period moving average here. It has still got a little bullishness intact. Look at the stochastic, this has come to extremely oversold levels, and the MACD is still divergent and bearish, but I should look at the curve here. The candle size have started to converge. That is the point where we should see that there is a potential for reversal, there is a potential for rise also. However, we have to be cautious and alert. Remember today in couple of hours you'll see Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaking there. His speech will definitely bring volatility in the markets. Hence, those who are a safe trader should either not trade or wait for the markets to take a direction. Remember, swings can kill you either which ways, either on the buy side or the sell side, and hence trade with caution there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our Signals channel and definitely you will benefit there. Let's start on the silver analysis. Now see 2380, you can see there is a wall out there at 2380. Yesterday also I told you 2380, if it breaches then you can stay long. We are going to look at $24 this time. Now another important observation here is, see, it consolidated here, it has come back to this zone, so it is trying to trade in this box. Any breakout beyond this box is going to be very strong, and potentially it can try to take it beyond 2420 also. But you can see it has provided a very good resistance. Also, if you look at on the hourly charts, it is trading in this channel. Hence, if you see it trading below 2350, you can sell, expect 2340, 30, 20. These till 20 you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Below 2320 it is going to drop heavily. Specifically below 2340, more bearishness is going to prevail there. So a sell entry at 2350 can be taken. Now if you look at the stochastic, see it was overbought here, it has dropped here. The MACD is in green but trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over and it is just very near to the zero line, which says that potentially it can diverge also. RSI looking downwards, trying to trade with slight bearish bias. If you look at 2-hour, now on the 2-hour charts, one important observation here is, see, this was the bearish trend. It has slightly come out of the channel there. That is an important observation, but it failed to break past the resistance there, and hence 2380 levels is what now you should look forward for it to breach pass by in order to confirm a rise here. Now see, it has signaled a reversal on the 2-hour charts, and we can see red candle, series of red candle here, but 2350 is still respected. Also on the 2-hour chart, see the highs and the lows, and that is where the 2350, 2345, 40 levels will come into picture there. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is in green, it is still trying to trade bullish. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade slightly weak. If you look at 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour chart, see the rise, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, but this time the retracement has breached the channel. That is an important observation, and hence and also this is coming at a bottom, which increases the chance of a potential reversal. See the moving average has also started to converge here. Now see the 20 period moving average, if it stays above, certainly 50 period moving average, which is situated at around $24 levels, may get achieved. Stochastic looking down here, it is slightly overbought. The MACD is in green, trying to still trade with the divergence. It is not yet crossed over since long now. RSI, you can see RSI is trying to look down, trying to trade with slight bearish bias. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see two symmetrical candles and then this drop there. It can still give you higher lows, which means 23, 50, 45 levels, and then a bearish confirmation if it drops below 40. So till here we have to be watchful. Yes, it can get the support, it can drop till here, and see the symmetrical candle formation means it can try to replicate this candle also, which means 2340 and a reversal. This is also possible. A stochastic looking down, MACD is still bullish. RSI has come out of the oversold zone, and if you look at the daily, now look at the daily charts, a sharp drop, couple of retracement, then this bearish candle, doji, then another bearish candle or reversal. Now this candle has tried to breach the highs from the yesterday's candle here, which is a very important observation. As it tries to breach the yesterday's high, you can see it can try to form this, and hence see 2340, 2380 levels are certainly are very good resistance, as I shared in the morning update also. Stochastic was oversold, it is tried to come out of the oversold zone. Look at MACD, this is still bearish, it is now candle size have flattened, bearishness is diminished here, and the stochastic at bottom. One important observation on the daily charts here is, see the candle size here and here, bigger candle, a smaller candle, and this is the biggest candle. So the candle size is diminished. Second part is the bigger tail here from the previous candle. This means that the prices are not willing to stay lower, and that is where we can see a little pullback. However, once it stays below 2340, you can expect 2330.20, and below 2320, this time it is going to give you a very big candle, which is going to take it below 23 and 2280 levels, and hence you can sell today at 2350 itself, but then till 40 we have to be extremely cautious, as it can reverse. Those who want to trade safe, so wait for 2340, and below that also 10 cents, and hence 10 cents is a very good trailing stop loss for silver today till 2320. Also on the upside, beyond 2380, certainly it's a buy. You can expect $24 levels and 2420x also. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.